As year-end gets completed, audits get done, companies are going to begin hiring again for their 2022 needs. Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Rourke, CEO of Rourke, and I'm here to talk about the hot jobs in finance and accounting that companies need in 2022. So what do we consider hot jobs in this list from Rourke? Well, it's critical roles that are internal to the company, roles that you're going to hire in the company. It's not going to be public accounting jobs or other jobs that you might see from other lists. These are roles that companies are looking for right now to hire in their internal department for 2022. So let's go ahead and take a look at our hot jobs. Our first position, there's no surprise here, is the controller. They're very essential to an organization. They have to make sure that the invoices are sent out on a timely basis, cash is collected, they make sure that the bills are paid, and they make sure the employees are paid. They're also responsible for maintaining the general ledger and getting information to both internal and external parties appropriately and on a timely basis. The question is why are they so hot? It's because of the high need. Every company needs this role. They're kind of like putting gas in a car. Without them, you're not going anywhere. And kind of just like gas, the prices for controllers has been increasing as well. High-performing A players, or superstars, as we like to call them here at Rourke, in Southern California are earning anywhere between base pays $160,000 to $200,000 or more per year. While our controllers are managing the process, our next important position in 2022 is the senior accountant. These are the people who are making things work with the general ledger and the financial reports. They're making sure that the processes in the system are functioning properly. They're doing the account reconciliations and the closes to submit to the controller, who's reviewing those to submit to both internal and external parties. The question is why are they so hot? Well, we don't see as many entrants coming into the accounting profession as we have in the past. The senior accountant position is a great position that gets promoted to the accounting managers and controllers. So what we're seeing is the lack of supply coming in and promotions going out, especially as more and more people at the higher level are retiring. That's causing demand to pull up for different levels. As far as pay, our star performers in Southern California are earning anywhere from $100,000 to $125,000 in base pay each year. Our next position is a very specialized position for manufacturing, and that is the senior cost accountant. Now, how do they help companies? They're the ones that are driving the cost, everything that goes into the recipe or the bill of materials. They're the ones that are looking at labor and absorption and being really able to understand margins on products and what they're selling. That also drives pricing and competitiveness in different markets. Why are they so hot? Well, right now, inflation's been running rampant, so everybody's really trying to get a hold of their costs and what's going on to be able to adjust prices in the market, to be able to look at efficiencies and see areas where they could become more competitive in their market spaces. As far as pay, the star performers in Southern California are earning anywhere from $120,000 to $140,000 in base pay. We've seen this increase substantially, and the reason why is just because of the lack of expertise that we have out there since we offshored a lot of things in the U.S. This has become a dying art, and we're seeing more resurgence in manufacturing where the demand is even higher. Continuing on our senior trend is the senior financial analyst. Senior financial analysts are the ones that are looking at today and analyzing the information of today and what's going on and projecting what's going on in the future. With so many things uncertain today, that's become more important than ever. Why are they so hot? Well, typically, whenever you bring aboard a CFO or you need this analysis in a highly inflationary economy, you're trying to look at the whole picture of the company. What's happened in the past? What have you done and how do you make it better? And then what's going to happen in the future? And this what's going to happen in the future is even more important today where things aren't as steady and certain. What are they getting paid? Well, star performers in Southern California, the A players, are earning between $120,000 and $140,000 a year. So last but definitely not least is that of the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer. They're so important to drive a company's strategy, to be able to take the numbers and to be able to show the whole of the team of what's going on and what could be, and make sure to lead the accounting and finance functions. They typically lead other functional areas like IT or HR as well. And why are they so hot? Because they're so critical to driving this strategy. And they are the right-hand person to the president, the CEO. And it's really important that you make sure and get this hire right, because they typically have specialized skill sets like fundraising, buying and selling companies, growth, public company CFOs, as well as restructuring, going through troubled financial times. As far as pay is really all over the board for CFOs, and there's a lot of factors that go into it. When we look at base pay for good mid-market CFOs, you're looking somewhere between $250,000 and $400,000 a year. Larger companies are paying a lot more, but when we look at compensation, it's really total compensation. It's the bonuses, it's equity incentive, it's the whole package of perks and benefits that go into the CFO package to be able to attain the best and the brightest in that profession. So that wraps up our hot jobs in finance and accounting for 2022. Companies need great financial leadership as well as great financial information to be able to drive towards success and make better decisions than ever. These are the hot jobs that are critical to making this happen. If you enjoyed the video today, make sure to let us know by hitting the thumbs up and liking. If you have anything that you'd like to add or other content that you'd like to see, make sure to put that in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and other videos like it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you get notified of new content when it comes out. I hope this is helpful for you in looking at the hot jobs in 2022 and being able to grow your business for 22 and beyond.